Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the essentials. Walk around and confirm tires, lights, hitch, and chains work. This prevents damage and roadside stops. Once done, test the plug and trailer brakes while someone toggles vehicle signals so you can see wiring faults. Make sure the tongue jack lifts smoothly and that wheel bearings show no play. Greasing saves you from bearing failure. These first actions keep you moving and expose hidden issues early. Do them before loading. Now you delve into the detailed maintenance that extends trailer life. Remove wheels, inspect bearings, clean and repack with fresh grease. This prevents overheating and seizure. Next, reseal seams and roof vents with RV-grade sealant to stop water intrusion and mold. Small leaks become big rot. Also, inspect suspension and axle mounts. Adjust load distribution so tongue weight is 10–15% of trailer weight. Once these steps, finish by performing a final systems check and a short 10–15-minute test drive to confirm handling, brakes, and lights under load. This reveals issues you missed. Tighten lug nuts to the manufacturer torque after that test to prevent loosening. Stow a roadside kit with spare tire, jack, grease, sealant, and an electrical tester. If vibration or noise appears, stop, recheck wheel bearings and lug torque. Often that single check resolves the most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.